English conversation practice. Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Olivia.
What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 7 o'clock a.m.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I had eggs and toast.
Are you going to work today?
Yes, I'll be working from the office.
How do you commute to work?
I take the bus.
Are you having lunch with anyone?
Yes, I am having lunch with a colleague.
What will you have for lunch?
I am thinking of getting a salad.
Do you have any plans after work?
Yes, I am going to the gym.
What time do you usually have dinner?
Around 7 p.m.
What's for dinner tonight?
I am planning to make a spaghetti.
Do you need to buy groceries?
Yes, I'll stop by the store on my way home.
Are you watching anything interesting on TV?
Yes, I started a new series last night.
Do you prefer coffee or tea in the morning?
I prefer coffee.
Are you reading any good books?
Yes, I am reading a mystery novel.
What do you do to relax?
I enjoy going for walks.
Are you traveling anywhere soon?
Yes, I am visiting family next month.
What do you usually do on the weekends?
I like to catch up with friends and relax.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy painting.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like listening to jazz.
Did you exercise this morning?
No, I plan to exercise after work.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Are you going out tonight?
Yes, I am going to a movie.
What movie are you going to see?
I am seeing the latest superhero film.
Do you cook often?
Yes, I try to cook most nights.
What's your favorite dish to prepare?
I love making stir-fry vegetables.
How do you like your coffee?
I like it black with a little bit of sugar.
What did you do last weekend?
I went hiking in the mountains.
Do you have any plans for your next vacation?
Yes, I am planning a trip to the beach.
How often do you check your email?
Several times a day.
Do you prefer texting or calling?
I prefer texting.
What's your favorite social media platform?
I spend most of my time in Instagram.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
What's the most interesting place you've visited?
The most interesting place was Tokyo, Japan.
Do you have a lot of work to do this week?
Yes, it's going to be a busy week.
How do you usually spend your evenings?
I usually spend my evenings reading or watching TV.
What kind of books do you like to read?
I enjoy reading science fiction.
Are you meeting anyone for lunch tomorrow?
Yes, I am meeting an old friend for lunch.
Did you make any New Year's resolution?
Yes, I decided to start a fitness routine.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I often have oatmeal with fruit.
How do you celebrate your birthday?
I usually have a small party with friends and family.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
What's the last thing you do before you go to bed?
I usually read a book or listen to a podcast.
How often do you exercise?
I try to exercise at least 3 times a week.
What's your favorite form of exercise?
Yoga. It's great for both mind and body.
What hobbies do you have?
Besides reading and hiking, I enjoy photography.
What's a skill you'd like to learn?
I'd like to learn how to speak another language fluently.
How do you like to spend a rainy day?
I love to spend a rainy day curled up with a good book.